The morning feels cold. There is no sun visible yet, just heavy branches of a plum tree moving under sharp gusts of wind. Down below, activity has already begun. The lower half of the hive comes into view, sunlit now. Bees are moving through the entry halls, some arriving, others preparing to leave. These are scouts returning from early searchers. They are passing the message to the hive. Nearby fruit trees stand full of apples. There are no blossoms, just fruit. A few white and yellow flowers remain. A single bumblebee fleets from one to another, searching, but these blooms seem nearly empty. The dandelion appears, but it's already occupied. Tiny creatures are feeding on the pollen. In the grass, yellow flowers move with the wind, but they've already been harvested. The bees will have to leave the garden behind and fly towards the hills. But not everything they pass is promising. A dry field lies ahead. The hay has been harvested, rolled into bales. No flowers. Nothing left to gather. A car passes by on a country road. In the distance, a hill rises into the bright sky. White clouds is above it, motionless. There are green fields now, trees, open land, sheep. Some of the sheep raise their heads to look at the camera, chewing grass, but they've eaten everything here. Flowers can't survive long among flocks. The beast must fly on. Then, relief. The hills tune into forest, thick, green and wind-blown. There are no animals here, no fruit trees. Just the wild, a better place for flowers to grow. From higher ground we see the forest stretch out like waves, openings in the green where wildflowers might bloom undisturbed, a true forager's landscape. A mountain stream winds through the shade. It's not deep, just knee-high, but it flows steadily beneath a canopy of trees. The water is cool, protected. There, among the moisture, is a yellow flower. A close-up reveals its richness. This one is full of nectar. The stream continues. Water, flowers, light. Now we see blooming clover, green grasses. A spiky plant rises, unopened. Its form is sharp, protective, not ready to share its pollen just yet. But when it does, it will be worth the wait. By the stream, bees gather. They land on stones, drink water. Close-ups show the shimmer of wings, the slow, careful motion of tired foragers. They've traveled far. Here, they rest and replenish. The stream bends away again, disappearing into the forest. A single flower stands alone in the grass, swaying gently. High above, two wild pigeons struggle for balance in a tree. The sky is pale, almost white, with thin, fabric-like clouds. It's time to head home. The landscape rolls out. Fields, green hills, massive clouds above. Now the bee is already on the way back. Far below, sheep graze, People work, a tractor moves slowly across a paddock. In the distance, the hive awaits. We follow the tractor as it disappears ahead. It seems to lead the way.
Finally, back at the hive, bees arrive one by one, each carrying their prize: nectar, pollen, water. A guard bee checks them as they enter. Then they vanish into the depths of the hive. Another day completed, another journey survived. And maybe in some way, all of us, like bees, small, determined, brave in the face of enormous world, risking something every time we set out, and treasuring whatever we manage to bring home.